Hello guys, I hope all of you will be fine. So this is my latest course regarding the usage of a calculator, how to use a scientific calculator for different purposes here in this course. So suppose we have an equation that is basically 2x plus 6y equal to 10. This is equation number 1, and in this system of equations we have basically two equations. The second one is 4x plus 10y, and that is equal to 15. So in this system of equation, when we will try to solve the equation, what do we have to do? By using the conventional methods or matrices, what do I have to do? I have to write them in the form of the matrices. So 2, 6, 4, 10. Similarly here the variables x, y, which are equal to 10 and 15. Okay. So by solving them using the Cramer's rule or whatsoever, we have to find the solution. Similarly, in order to find the solution here as well, if this is equation A, this is equation B, so doing what? Multiplying 2 with A and then subtracting B from it, what would we get? So that is, you have seen that it is a very hectic method to solve both of them. It is not that much hectic, but it takes time. In exams and in many other tests, you don't have that much time to solve them. So therefore, you usually use a calculator, which basically you bring with yourself. So let me use it for myself, and that is here. This is basically calculator, which is Casio fx-991ES. Okay, and here I have been using the emulator. So let me use it here, and here we can see that we have different options. So let me press here mode. In mode we can see that we have different options. So in solving the equations, let me press here 5. So here I will have different options for the equations. Here we can see that we have the equations in the form of 1, which is basically the equation of two variables. So let me press here 1, and after pressing here 1, here we will see that here we have two equations A, B, C, where A is for x, B is for y, C is for the constant term which is at the right side. So let me put their values. So putting 2 here first for the value x, 2, then equal, then 6, equal, C is 10. Okay, so now equal. So now the first equation is completed. Similarly for the second equation, let me put 4 here, then 10 here. Okay, and the constant term here is 15. Okay. So these are the equations. So now in order to solve them, what do I have to do? Simply press here equal, and we will see that here the value of x will be shown, which is -5/2, which I have already calculated. Similarly, in order to see the value of y, again press equal, and here you will see that the value of y is also been shown, which is a very easy, very feasible method for you to solve the equations or a system of equations of many variables. So that's it, in which we have seen the solution of a system of equation consisting of two variables, and by putting the coefficients of these variables, we have seen then how to solve them. In our upcoming video, we will try to solve further equations. We will try to demystify the ambiguities which are related with these calculator, and how can you deploy them in your examinations and tests. So that's it for today, and I will see you soon.